ways to earn passive income while working from home in 2025? Then this video is for you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 passive income strategies for beginners. So if you would like to have a work-life balance and also build financial freedom and financial security in 2025 and beyond, this video is for you. So without much waste of our time, let's dive straight in. So we are looking at beginner-friendly passive income strategies. We'll also be looking at a step-by-step guide in starting any of those passive income strategies so you can be earning and also build your financial security. Whether you're just starting out or whether you are just looking to grow what you already started, I have actionable tips that could prove results. So let's dive straight in. The first passive income strategy we want to consider is affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular passive income strategies for beginners. So how to start affiliate marketing? The first thing you want to do is pick a niche you are passionate about. For example, travel, beauty, fitness, spirituality, or even history. Now sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associate, CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale, Beehive, Sparkloop, or even ConvertKit. Or you could even decide to go for niche specific platform. So under CJ Affiliate, you could find a lot of niche specific affiliate marketing products to market. Now, once you've signed up for these affiliate programs, you need to create content to market your affiliate links. You can create content. It could be a blog, it could be on your YouTube, or it could be your other social media platforms. Use SEO, that is search engine optimization, to drive traffic to your content. Your social media platform is a powerful tool for advertising your affiliate marketing links. Now here is a pro tip for you. You want to focus on high ticket affiliate marketing links. For example, we have the leads market, which is a pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. Let's talk about print on demand. You can sell customized items like mugs, like t-shirts, like hoodies, like journals, and maybe party favors. How to start your print on demand business? Use a platform like Printful, Redbubble, or even Teespring. You can also leverage free tools like Canva to create your designs. Now, upload your designs to your chosen platforms. You can promote your print on demand products via social media or your niche blog. So whenever customers buy, you earn a profit. So the print on demand company deals with the production and even delivery. So this is a simple business model for beginners. Now here is a pro tip. Focus on trendy or seasonal designs to boost sales. Moving on to the third passive income strategy. You can start selling digital products, printable products, from meal planners to ebooks to journals. How to start? Pick a niche or topic that you are knowledgeable about. Create your digital product using softwares like Canva, Adobe Express, or even Google Doc. Now you can list your products on Etsy, on Shopify, on Gumroad, or even on your own website. Promote your products through email marketing or social media. Now here is a pro tip. Bundle your products to increase perceived value and to boost sales. If you love taking photos or videos, this one is for you. Here is your step-by-step guide. Capture high quality video or photograph of people or trending themes or seasons. Now edit your photos using software like Lightroom or Final Cut Pro. Upload your files to sites Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Earn royalties whenever your photos or videos are downloaded. Here is your pro tip. Focus on creating seasonal or high quality in demand content. Let's look at the fifth passive income strategy, creating online courses. So people are willing to pay to learn your skills. So whether it is cooking, whether it is yoga, whether it is personal fitness you are good at, you can create online courses and start earning passive income today. Now here is how to start. Choose a platform like Udemy, Teachable, or even Skillshare. Outline your cost structure and create engaging video content. Use a decent microphone or camera to ensure quality. Now upload your course and optimize the title and description. Promote your course on your website, your YouTube channel, or your other social media platforms. Now here is a pro tip. Offer a free mini course to attract prospective customers. Next business idea we want to look at is YouTube automation channel. Did you know you could start a YouTube channel even if you didn't want to show your face? This is what we call YouTube automation channel. So how to get started? Now the first thing you want to do is to choose a niche. For instance, top 10 places like mental health, travel, or even tech review. You can create content using free stock footage, voiceover, and editing tools like Premiere Pro. Now here is the secret. You upload consistently and optimize your videos for SEO. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, then you can monetize your YouTube channel through advert placement, through affiliate marketing, or even sponsored posts. Now here is a tip. You can outsource your editing for that professional touch and also to get quality content onto your YouTube channel. I'm not doing this yet. I don't have the money to pay anyone to edit my videos. The next business idea we want to consider is renting digital real estate websites and renting them to local businesses. Here is your step-by-step guide to get started. The first thing you want to do is to choose a niche. For instance, real estate or mental health. Build a simple website with WordPress or Wix. Optimize it for local SEOs to attract traffic. Reach out to local businesses and offer them ad space or leads. Here is a pro tip. If you are not good with web designs, you can find someone to help you on Fiverr. Now let's consider investing in dividend stocks. Investing in stocks that pay regular dividends could be a steady passive income stream. Here is your step-by-step guide to get started. The first thing you want to do is to open a brokerage account on platforms like Robinhood or even platforms like E-Trade. Now research dividend paying stocks in stable industries with emphasis on stable. Invest consistently. Start small if you are a beginner to see how it goes for you. Reinvest dividends to compound your growth. Now here is a pro tip. Diversify your investment to reduce risk. If you have a creative talent, let's consider licensing music or artwork. Licensing your music or artwork could generate long-term passive income. To get started, create original music or artwork. Upload them to licensing platforms like Artlist, Epidemic Sound, or Society6. Start promoting your portfolio to attract more listeners and downloaders. Now here is a pro tip. Focus on trending themes and styles to boost sales. Let's look at the 10th passive income strategy, which is real estate crowdfunding. This is an easy way to invest in real estate without owning property. To start, you need to sign up on platforms, Fundrise, or Realty Mogul. Open a project, invest in as little as $500 or £500. Give it a little bit of time and you will start earning property dividends or true property appreciation. Here is a pro tip. Reinvest your earnings for compound growth. Now there you have it, guys. 10 passive income strategies for beginners in 2025. Remember, while passive income is passive, it requires a little bit of hard work and maintenance in the long run. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so we can win together. And please share this video with anyone you think might need these 10 passive income strategies.